Hi, yo, YouTubers. This is Superman G. Come back at you one more again. I know that I promised you all a computer build by an 11-year-old. However, this is going to be pictures only. There is no video. The computer did get finished. The build went successfully. I'm going to have some music in the background. I just really don't have the time right now. I'm very busy with other video projects. I'm helping other people out with things that they need help with. So I apologize in advance if this is not one of my usual typical computer build videos. However, the 11-year-old did do a nice job of building the PC. I assure you, I honestly wish I had video of this. So I hope it suffices for you all. Thank you all for tuning in and watching this. I know that some of you were waiting for me to release this video, and I apologize for the length of time it's taken me to do it. You all take care and enjoy the video.